I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study on Khan Academy. First, create your free account to unlock personalized learning and track your progress. Then, explore the extensive library of subjects, which includes thousands of videos and practice exercises. Select a course or skill that matches your interests and academic needs to begin your learning adventure. To learn effectively, watch video lessons actively, pausing to take notes and ensure full comprehension. After each video, complete the practice exercises and quizzes to solidify your understanding. Remember, practice is key. If you get stuck, use the hint feature, but always try to solve problems on your own first to build problem-solving skills. Khan Academy helps you track your progress with a clear dashboard, showing completed lessons and mastered skills. Strive for mastery challenges to test your knowledge across several related skills, ensuring a deeper understanding. Don't be afraid to revisit challenging topics. Consistent practice will help you achieve a strong grasp of the material over time. For advanced study, set daily or weekly learning goals to maintain consistent progress and motivation. Engage with the vibrant community forums to ask questions and collaborate with fellow learners. Also, explore the official test preparation materials available for major exams such as the SAT, AP, and various college-level courses, offering comprehensive review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.